and create a monthly recurring passive income without depending on any marketing gurus or various do-it-yourself technique. If that caught your interest, then I've great news for you today. Presenting AIFlipBooks. Instant access of world's first fully ChatGPT-4 powered 3D animated flipbook and article creator cloud-based app along with millions of DFY ebooks and articles with PLR license. You can instantly create jaw-dropping 3D flipbooks and articles in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in and select ready-to-use templates or create flipbook from scratch. Step 2. Add your own content in FlipBook or you can use inbuilt content builder feature. Step 3. Preview or download in one click. Create unlimited ebooks, flipbooks and articles and use it for yourself or sell to your clients and keep the profits. Here are some of its amazing features. Professional and fully cloud-based platform. User-friendly 3D flipbooks creator software. 100+ high-quality ready-to-use templates. 60-second flipbooks creation. Embed flipbooks on your website even. Inbuilt cover creator feature. 100+ super high-quality pre-made layouts and flipbook covers. 10,000+ pre-made ebooks with PLR license. Multiple niche pre-made ebooks. Inbuilt content and article generator feature. Commercial license included. No limitations, completely free. Sell unlimited flipbooks and earn like the big boys. No special skills or experience. Required. Unlimited one-click download. And we're not alone. Over 150+ top agency owners, freelancers, marketers and more than 2,000 customers have started making money with FlipBooks. Till now, AIFlipBooks has created 10 million+ flipbooks and articles. And now it's your turn to use it for your business to skyrocket your traffic, conversion and sales at a low one-time cost during this special 4-day launch deal. Your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee. Try it out for 30 days. If you are still not convinced, get your money back. Also, it's come with an unlimited commercial which makes it an incredibly great deal. Soon it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast. And click the link below. See you on the inside, smiley face.